Have you ever wondered how to sell your annuity payments? An annuity is a financial product that pays out a fixed stream of payments to an individual, typically used as an income stream for retirees. These payments are purchased through an insurance company, often to provide secure income during retirement. There are many reasons why one might want to sell their annuity payments. Perhaps you need a lump sum of cash for an unexpected expense, or maybe you found a better investment opportunity. Annuities are designed for long-term financial security, but life's unpredictability can sometimes necessitate a change in plans. Just like any financial decision, selling your annuity payments comes with its own set of considerations. It's not a decision to be taken lightly, and understanding your options is crucial. Selling your annuity payments can be a beneficial financial move, but it's important to understand the process. So you've decided selling your annuity payments is the next step for you. But where do you start? Well, fear not, because we're here to break down this process into clear, manageable steps. First, it's crucial to find a reputable company to buy your annuity. Do your research. Look for a company that is experienced, transparent, and has positive customer reviews. Remember, this is not a decision to take lightly, so take your time to ensure you're working with a company that puts your best interests at heart. Once you've found a company that you're comfortable with, the next step is to get a quote for your annuity. This is usually a simple process where the company will ask for details about your annuity, such as the type of annuity you have, the amount of your payments, and the length of your payment period. They'll use this information to determine the present value of your future payments and provide you with a quote. Now, this is where things get really important. You need to review the quote and the terms of the agreement carefully. Make sure you understand all the fees involved, the timeline for receiving your lump sum, and any potential effects on your taxes. If anything seems unclear, don't hesitate to ask questions. After all, it's your money, and you should be fully informed about where it's going. If you're satisfied with the quote and the terms, the next step is to accept the offer. This is typically done in writing and may involve signing a contract. Be sure to keep a copy of all documents for your records. Finally, the last step is to finalize the sale. This usually involves the company filing a petition in court to get approval for the transaction. Once the court approves the sale, the company will send you your lump sum payment. Remember, each step is essential in ensuring you get the most out of your annuity sale. This process may seem daunting, but by taking it one step at a time, you can navigate it with confidence and secure your financial future. So, take a deep breath and take the first step toward selling your annuity payments today. Now that you know the step-by-step process, let's recap the key points about selling annuity payments. Firstly, it's essential to remember that selling your annuity payments can be a viable option if you're facing financial hardship or if you need a large sum of money quickly. However, it's not a decision to be taken lightly, as it will affect your long-term financial stability. Secondly, the process of selling annuity payments can seem complex, but it's actually quite straightforward once you understand the steps. You'll need to get a quote, go through a court approval process, and then receive your lump sum payment. Lastly, and most importantly, always ensure you're working with a reputable company. This is crucial for protecting your interests. You should look for a company with a strong track record, transparent pricing, and excellent customer service. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision about selling your annuity payments. Remember, it's your money, and you should do what's best for your financial situation.